Now you might be trying to figure out what happened to Snapchat Remix. So before there was a feature within Snapchat which allowed you to go ahead and basically remix other people's Snapchat. And from there it allowed you to basically go and kind of take a picture of that person's screenshot. And it was allowing people to go and screenshot those actual photos from people. And essentially Snapchat basically removed this. So if you're watching this on a phone that basically has the most updated version of Snapchat or one of the more updated versions of Snapchat, Snapchat basically removed this and there's basically no way to get it back unless you have some sort of like cracked version of Snapchat. Other than that, there's no other way to kind of retrieve this. However, if you're still on an older version of Snapchat, you should be able to use this particular feature. So if somebody went through and actually sent you a Snapchat just like this one or whatever Snapchat they sent you, you might still have the option of remixing that person's Snapchat depending on the version of Snapchat that you have. So keep that in mind. Now, if you're still trying to recover Snapchat, if you have an Android phone, you can download an older APK file of that version of Snapchat. But for the most part, you can't really use Snapchat Remix anymore, which is very, very unfortunate. You can write to Snapchat to see if you can try to get it back or if they can try to recover that particular feature for you. But for the most part, that feature is kind of gone, it's long gone, and it's kind of sad because it was a really cool feature. But that's kind of where we're at as of this point. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.